This week's recipe review are High Protein Chicken Enchiladas from Lauren Fit Foodie. The recipe description says they are made with 7 simple ingredients and are packed with fiber and 38 grams of protein per serving. This is a 30-minute weeknight dinner that the whole family will love. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so these enchiladas turned out well and were super easy to make. Real quick, I want to give a few shout outs for 2 recipes that I used. One being the homemade taco seasoning from Spin with Pennies. The second one is to Jar of Lemons for the shredded chicken that I made in the Instapot. Both are wonderful and I highly recommend each one. Both of those links are in the description below. Now on to the review. I baked these for 20 minutes for the cheese to get nicely melted and bubbly. You can make this much simpler than I did by using store-bought rotisserie chicken, or really any chicken will do, and also using taco seasoning in a packet. Then it's just a matter of mixing the filling together and assembling the rest of the dish and baking. Pretty simple stuff. And as you'll soon see, the results are well worth it. When I took that first bite, it was fantastic. The flavor had a very slight kick, mainly because I used mild enchilada sauce, but you can use a spicier one if that suits you. All of the flavors came together beautifully. The homemade taco seasoning mixed with the already seasoned chicken was delicious, and adding in the Mexican blend cheese and refried beans took things to another level. This is one of those recipes where the more you eat, the more you want, and the better it gets. I also had some the next day for lunch that I just reheated in the microwave, and it was still delicious. I love the simplicity of these enchiladas and how quickly they come together for a wonderful Mexican-inspired meal. And I agree with Lauren, who created this dish, who said on the recipe page that she could eat Mexican food every day and be content. I absolutely could as well, especially if you add in some margaritas or cold beer. Overall, this is an incredibly tasty, easy dinner that can be made anytime. I give it 1,000 stars and will make this regularly for our family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.